Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be removing and reinstalling a rear window switch on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, I'm going to take this window switch bezel out. I'm just going to use a pick right here. There's a little cover that's under here. Pull this cover up, set it aside. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. We want to take that screw out. Take that screw out. We're going to take a trim tool. Just try to pry underneath here. There's a little clip that holds it in back there, and then come to the front. Pry that up. There's a clip in the front as well. Pull that up. We want to disconnect the electrical connector right there. Just push down there and pull it off. To remove this rear window switch, we'll just take a straight blade screwdriver. I'm just going to put a little bit of pressure on the switch from the front and just release these locks right here. There's two on that side and two on this side. Just get in there and push it out. I'll take this window switch and this trim piece and we'll just slide this in like this, line it up. It only goes in one way, just like that. Now we'll take this switch, connect it right here to the wiring harness, line that up, and then push it down. Remember there's these tabs right here. They're gonna line up the little retainers, hold it in place. Lock it down in place. Take this Phillips head screw with a screwdriver, get this started, and then we'll snug it down. I'll take this little trim cover, put that right back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.